South Africa recorded 109 business closures in April 2025, bringing the year's total to 482 so far. Now, Stats SA says most were voluntary, with 98 companies choosing to shut down. Moreover, the finance, insurance, real estate, and business service sectors remains the most affected, followed by trade, catering, and accommodation. Additionally, while total closures are down 6% compared to the same period last year, compulsory liquidations were higher in the first quarter, signaling financial stress in some areas. Stat SA's Anika Mshwana shares further insights into the trend.
The number of business liquidations in the South African economy decreased by 14.8% year-on-year in April 2025. This represents a decline of 19 liquidations from a total of 128 in April 2024 to a total of 109 in April 2025. The 109 liquidations recorded in April 2025 included 11 compulsory liquidations and 98 voluntary liquidations. Broken down by the type of institution, 62 companies and 47 closed corporations closed their doors in April 2025. The number of company closures decreased by 7 cases year-on-year. The number of liquidations by closed corporations decreased by 12 cases over the same period. A decrease of 6% in the number of liquidations was recorded in the first 4 months of 2025 compared with the first 4 months of 2024. I am Anika Mshwana, Principal Survey Statistician at Stats SA. For more information, download the statistical release from our